Hello everyone, this is AG sir, lecturer, Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. Hope so you guys are doing really good and keeping yourself safe and sound. Before starting today's class, I would like to inform you something that could be fruitful to your classmates. Only 1/3 of the student of your class has submitted their homework. On the other hand, 2/3 of the student aren't serious enough about their classwork or about their class. However, they will have to bear the consequences of their negligence on study. I hope you will make them aware or let them know from your side. Admittedly, I am keeping a list of the students who submitted their homework and submitting their homework regularly, and they have nothing to worry about. I hope I have made it clear. Okay. So today is the third lecture of chapter 7, exchange of gases. And the topics we are going to discuss today: human respiratory system, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles. So let's start the class for today. Pharynx. As you know, in our previous class, I have discussed about the nose, nasal cavity and sinuses, and after that it comes to pharynx. Today I am going to start from pharynx. If you haven't watched my previous video or my previous class, I am giving the link over here. Please go there and watch the video, otherwise this video will be not clear to you. Okay. Pharynx. The nasal chambers open up into a wide hollow space termed as the pharynx. It is a common path for both air and food. At the back of the roof of the mouth, there is a small tongue called the soft palate. When swallowing food or drink, the soft palate closes the backside of the nasal cavity. As a result, food can't come out through the nostrils. Sorry for my voice, as I am suffering by cold and fever. So it might be some different than usual. I guess you will cope up with it. And after that, it comes to larynx. Two cartilaginous cords to the framework for the larynx. They're situated at the joining the pharynx and trachea. It is also termed as Adam's apple or voice box. It is the portion which rises and falls during swallowing food particles. It generates sound as air passes through the hollow in the middle. As I am talking now, it is also possible because of this one. A flap of soft tissue at the back of the tongue is called the epiglottis. It acts as a lid at the time of taking food. After that, it comes to trachea. Trachea, it is also named as windpipe. It rises below the larynx and moves down to the neck. The walls of trachea comprise C-shaped cartilaginous rings which give hardness to the trachea and maintain it by completely expanding. The trachea extends further down into the sternum. You know sternum. Sternum is a bone in our cartilage and splits into two bronchi, one for each lung. That means bronchi are the two other parts that comes from trachea. Bronchi. The trachea splits into two parts termed as bronchi, which enter each lung individually. The bronchi is divided into bronchioles, which is again divided into small air sac called alveoli. You often heard that alveoli is the structural or functional unit of lung. What is alveoli? I will discuss it in my next class. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class. If you enjoyed it, please press the like button. It would definitely encourage me. And if you have any kind of question or doubt in your mind, please let me know in doing a comment in the comment section. And so that's it for today, boys. And I have added some homework for you. What is pharynx? What is larynx? What is epiglottis? And what is bronchioles? These are the 4 very short questions for you. I hope this would take only 10 to 15 minutes to complete this homework, not more than that. So please stay at home, stay safe, be with your family. Make sure you and your family be in the safe side. Thanks for today, boys. Meet you in the next class.